Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Steps. In 1.5 quart saucepan, melt butter over low heat. Stir in flour, salt and pepper. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly, until mixture is smooth and bubbly. Remove from heat. Gradually stir in milk. Heat to boiling, stirring constantly. Boil and stir 1 minute.
Let's help you make your mark.
Alfredo sauce usually includes grated Parmesan or other hard Italian cheese. White sauce is principally milk with a roux of butter and flour to thicken it. Alfredo sauce contains extra ingredients, mainly garlic and cheese, and typically no flour.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.